After creating a profile, in a profile will be accepted in LinkedIn will be one is a company page, one is a group. So everyone asking for how to create the groups on LinkedIn. First of all, remember guys, instruction. Any group will be created before you have the connections are more important. No connections are there, don't create the group. It's a waste of your time. But how to invite? Suppose your profile will be zero connection. How to you can invite to the anyone to join your group? We can't invite. So that is called first of all you can increase the connection based on your post. After that, you can create the group to increase your invitations. So first of all, how we can know the connection? Click for my network. Right now, how many connections we have? Only one connection. So right now is one connection. Now I'm showing, for example, how we can create the LinkedIn groups. That is called, go to work option. The name is called groups. My company name is my group name. Both are same. My company name, my group are complete same. Create a new group. First upload the image, logo, and cover image. Is a cover image 1774 into 444. LinkedIn group cover image 1774 into 440 pixel. Select it. Apply. Next, group name. Group name also my. Only for painting, cleans and policy and centering works and standard analyst. Standard nothing but public, analyst nothing but private. Which you are looking for, public or private? Always public. Public nothing but standard. First one adding for logo and cover image. Logo once again missing. Add here. Group name, about us, and group rule. What's the rule of your group? This is only group by digital marketing person. This is only group rule by only for entrepreneurs or looking for any business leads. These all kind of things. Create it. Your group was created. A group also will be post the content by images, by video, and document and shared by links. In a profile, group, company page, in the three, all is common except article. LinkedIn is company page supporting for link and photo, video, and documentation. Group also same, but profile, white article is the extra option. What are the article right? That option only eligible by the profile. Why? Profile has a more connections. The connection increase your company page followers and group joining. So after creating a group, so any kind of invite members. Right now I have only one connection is there. Any use? If I have one connection, any use? No use. So that is called compulsory. You have to understanding for how is a increase the connection. That all depend on your post. That all depend on your post. It's compulsory you maintain the post option. We are using for LinkedIn groups also, LinkedIn company page also. The dependent by the total 5 option. Start post, article, image, video and documentation. So clear? What are the group you design? Any group. First of all, your profile connections are more important. The simple way to create by the LinkedIn groups. So here is a link option, image, video and everything. Select video. In this title, paste it. Post. What are the content you're sharing by group? Only for group purpose, and not sharing for anywhere. What are the content you're sharing by group? Only can show the only for group members. It will be only showing for your group. So clear? So what are the content you're sharing by LinkedIn groups? Only for you're showing only for LinkedIn groups. And what are the content you're sharing by profile? Content you're sharing by LinkedIn and Twitter also. But what are the content you're sharing by LinkedIn group? Only for groups. So this one. What are the content you share? Compulsory remember in LinkedIn using hashtags. Using hashtags. So this one. If you are uploading for LinkedIn profile, a company page or videos, the video don't exceed by more than 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes video upload by where? LinkedIn profile, company page and groups. So we'll promote by LinkedIn company page groups will be links, image, video and a document. But profile will be file, article, image, video, links and document. Document symbol we can promote by PPT or PDF or the document will be complete is a to thoroughly will be read purpose. Is clear? So this is called to maintain the perfect and your option call is LinkedIn groups. So how to increase LinkedIn group join member based on your profile connections to invite your LinkedIn connection to the peoples. So first of all, which is important for create the group to increase your LinkedIn profile connections. The connection increasing based on your post for the five types: documentation and photo updating, video updating, link updating, and article writing.